Okay, we are ready for health. Okay, I'm going to ask a couple of quick review questions from yesterday. Who designed your body? What are some things you can do to have a healthy body?
Keep clean.
Keep clean. That's good. Eat healthy food. What did you say, Jeremiah? Washing your hands. That's good. Anything else, Vincent? Do you have any answers? How about getting good sleep? Getting enough rest?
Eat good food.
That's right. Okay, very good. Who remembers what a habit is?
A habit is the thing that you get used to.
Okay. Zoe?
When you don't even think about it, and when you have a habit, you don't even think about it and you do it.
That's right. Zoe, what were you going to say?
The same thing.
The same thing. Okay, remember yesterday there was a poem called My Beautiful Palace. What was the poem talking about?
Your body.
Yeah, so how is our body like a palace? How is our body like a palace? So what do you think of when you think of a palace? What does a palace have? Many.
Doors and windows.
Yeah. So if our bodies are like a palace and it has a lot of doors and windows, what are the doors and the windows?
My mouth
and our ears. Yeah, so we want to be careful because if we lived in a palace, I mean, that's like a big, beautiful place to live in, right? And we would want to make it look nice inside because it looks so nice on the outside. That's kind of like how we want to be with our bodies. We want to be clean on the outside. We want to take care of our bodies on the inside by having getting good rest and eating good food and staying healthy. But we also want to be have things that would be keep us pure, right? So we would need to be careful with the things that we see with our eyes. We need to be careful with the things that we listen to with our ears. And we should be careful with the things that we speak with our mouths, right? We want to be kind.
Yep.
We want to be uplifting and loving and friendly to others. Okay, are we all here? I don't see Jeremiah yet.
Yeah, I'm here.
I mean, no, I'm sorry, I meant Jeremiah B.
Oh. What about Anna?
Here she is. She's here.
Hi,
Anna. Okay, we are waiting for Jeremiah B.
We are waiting for Jeremiah.
Okay, we should probably try not to be eating when we're having our class session because that can be a distraction. I know it's really hard because we're comfortable in our homes and we're sitting in our spinny chairs and we're getting up and down out of our seats. Would we be getting up and down out of our seats if we were in the classroom?
No.
Would we be eating snacks if we were in our reading group? No. Would we be talking when somebody else is talking in the classroom? No. So even though we're home and comfortable in our homes, we still have to do really good about following certain rules. Okay? I know it's really difficult. But if we have a chair that spins and moves and rolls, we kind of need to be real careful not to do that because everybody's looking at you doing that. And it takes our focus away from what we should be thinking about. Okay? All right. So we are now on page, Okay, so we talked about a habit, and then we left off with building good habits, habits that are good. And then remember we had that list. Remember we had the words, the letters that spell the word habit. And then we listed some habits that began with those letters. I'm going to review. Hands washed before eating. We ate a good breakfast, or we were active. Brush our teeth or brush our hair. What did we write down for the letter I?
I take showers.
Right, I take showers. And then what was the T?
Tidy clothes.
Yeah, we want to make sure we have clean, tidy clothes. Okay, now we're on page 4. Okay, I want you to listen as I read, and then I'm going to ask you some questions. Jeremiah, can you give a question?
I don't see Anna.
She's at the bottom. You don't see her in your screen?
No.
She's here.
Anna, just go on the top and press speaker. Not speaker. Gallery or whatever.
Gallery?
Yeah. It's on the top left. I don't have any top. The top left or nothing.
Okay, don't worry about it. Can you see me and I can see you?
Yes.
Okay, and you can hear me, right?
Yes.
Okay. So listen, we're going to move on. Building good nutrition. Your body has work to do even when you are asleep. It breathes, it keeps you warm, it grows. Wait, did we already read this?
Yes, we did.
Where did we leave off?
Yes, we did. We left. On the 5.
Okay.
Everything on page 5.
Okay, we're going to read page 5 then. Actually, I'll just pick up from where I left off on here. Your body needs something to help it do this work. What is it? The answer is...
Energy.
No, the answer is food. Your body changes the food you eat into energy. It is important to eat a variety of foods every day. Your body needs different kinds of food to grow and work as it should. There are several groups of foods. These groups contain all the nutrients that your body needs. You need some foods from each group every day. Your appetite tells you that your body needs food. It does not tell you what to eat. You need to learn to choose the right foods. So our bodies just automatically let us know when we need food, right? We feel, what's the word? We feel hungry, right? Sometimes our stomachs will what? Growl and gurgle and make noise. And sometimes we have that feeling of almost feeling like we might just be sick or run down simply because our bodies need food. We need more energy. Okay? So the problem is our bodies don't tell us what to feed it. So we have to have good discipline in making sure that we're choosing good, healthy foods to eat that will help to make our bodies strong and healthy. This is where we learn to choose the right foods. So do you see the little circle on your page? Like this? Okay, that's telling us the kinds of food that our bodies need. What kind of foods does our body need?
Fruit, protein, grain, and
dairy. Dairy means like milk, yogurt, cheese. Vincent?
I had a plate of that circle the dairy, whatever that is. I had a plate of it.
Yeah.
Fruit, vegetable, protein, grain.
Okay, so which part of that, or which food group is the largest on that plate? Vegetables. So what do you suppose that means when we are eating every day? What should we be eating more of than other things? Vegetables. Do you eat a lot of vegetables every day?
No.
I don't always eat a lot of vegetables every day. There's some days that I don't eat any vegetables, so that's probably not being very healthy, huh? Which food group is the smallest? The dairy. Okay, so how many of you like ice cream? What does ice cream have in it? Milk. Dairy, right? I love ice cream. I wish I could have ice cream every day. But is that really a wise choice for me to eat ice cream every day? No. You see, that's that's the smaller of the food groups. I shouldn't be having so much of that. Does anybody know what nutrients are? Nutrients. Yeah, they are needed. Your body needs them. It's the part of the food needed for living and growing. So nutrients are found in all the different kinds of food groups. And we'll be talking more and more individually about each one of those groups. What is the word? Do you know what the word is that tells your body it needs food? No. It begins with the letter A. It has 3 syllables in it. Some people have a big one of these. Some people don't have very much of one of these. Yeah, who said that? Azalea. Azalea and Zoe. Good job. Appetite. That's the word that means what it is in your body that tells you that you need food. It is your appetite. Hannah, do you have a question?
In page 3, when there's R-H-A-B-I-T, what do you need to write?
We did those yesterday. We filled those in yesterday. Okay. Don't worry about those right now. Okay, we're going to move on to page 6. Okay, follow along. We're talking about tools for nutritious meals. Okay, are we all on page 6?
Yeah.
Okay. Eating a variety of vegetables is important to keep your body healthy. Remember how we just mentioned that vegetables takes up the largest portion on the plate? Okay? That's because eating a variety of vegetables is important to keep your body healthy. The vegetable group has many choices. Corn, green beans, potatoes, and celery are part of this group. Vegetables contain, can you read those next 2 words? Vitamins and minerals that your body needs. All vegetables contain vitamins. Most vegetables contain fiber. Fiber helps your body digest or break down other foods and get rid of waste. Vegetables are divided into 5 groups. The dark green vegetable group contains broccoli and spinach. The red and orange vegetable group has carrots and red bell peppers. Corn and white potatoes belong in the starchy vegetable group. Kidney beans and snow peas are in the beans and peas group. The other vegetables contain cucumbers, squash, celery, and other vegetables. You should eat 2 or 3 servings of vegetables every day. The vegetables may be raw or cooked. You may have cucumbers for lunch, baby carrots for a snack, and broccoli for dinner. How does that sound?
Good.
Now that just means those things are part of your meal. That doesn't mean just eat vegetables every day, all day. It just means you want to make sure that you include enough vegetables throughout your day to stay healthy, to give you the nutrients that you need to stay healthy. Okay, who has a question or a comment?
For me.
Okay. Yes, Anna.
Not me. Why not me?
Go ahead, Anna.
I eat vegetables.
Very good. Good. I was wondering if each of you, when I call on you, tell me what your favorite vegetable is. Okay, Zoe, what's your favorite vegetable?
Carrots.
Carrots. Those are good. Albert, what kind of vegetable is your favorite?
Corn.
Corn. Azalea?
Pickles.
What is it?
Pickles.
Oh, I like pickles. What do pickles come from? Azalea, what do pickles come from? Do they come from cucumbers? Yeah? Yeah. JK, what kind of vegetables are your favorite?
I don't know.
You don't know? Does anybody like beets? Anna, what's your favorite vegetable? What is it?
Peach.
Peaches are fruits. What's your favorite vegetable? Do you like spinach? Do you like broccoli? Do you like cauliflower? Okay, Vincent, what's your favorite?
I like baby carrots.
Baby carrots. Yes, they're good. Okay, here's a few quick questions. What do vegetables provide for your body? Go ahead, Zoe. Go ahead, Zoe. What do vegetables provide for your body?
I'm supposed to write them down.
No, we're on page 6.
Nutrients and energy.
Okay. What else? What are the words I'm looking for? JK?
I don't know.
How about vitamins? Azalea?
Fiber.
Yes, very good. Fiber. What else? How about vitamins? How about minerals?
Mineral.
Okay, so look, remember how as we read through our book, we come to like darkened words? Okay, a lot of times I'm going to ask you questions and those darkened words are the answers. Because the reason why those words are darkened is because they're trying to express to you that these things are important to know. Okay? And they stand out for us. All right?
All right.
Okay, so here's another question. What kind of vegetable is a white potato? What kind of vegetable is a white potato? What category would that be?
I don't know.
Well, look back to you. Remember what I just said about those
I have
darkened?
no clue.
Well, you have to search for it. You go back and look over what we just read. It says that corn and potatoes belong in the close.
Starchy.
Yes, Azalea, very good. The starchy vegetable group. Okay, good job. Albert, are you okay?
Yep.
Okay. What do you have in your hands? Maybe we should put that away, okay? What is that? Put it down, please. Okay, Anna? Yes, but you know what? We are just about done. Do me a favor. I want you to read on your own pages 7 and 8. Okay, as part of your reading assignment. Does everybody understand?
Yes.
Okay. Good job with everything that we worked on today. Make sure you get all your seat work completed if it's not already. That, by the way, wherever you left off with your spelling list, your math facts, your measures, at this point right now, at 2:30, or no, 3 o'clock, almost 3 o'clock, you're done with those things, okay?
I'm done.
Okay, but if you need to go back and make sure that you finish any workbook pages, those things would be very important. All right, I'm signing out now. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good night.
Miss Bellinger,
Yes, Zoe?
what time do we do it at tomorrow? 8:30?
9 o'clock.
Oh.
Okay?
Also, which page do we go up to?
Just
Down to
page 8. Just 7 and 8, okay? Have a good night, everybody. Bye-bye.
Miss Bellinger, I was already finished school already.
Okay, good for you. See ya. All right.